More Summer Sizzler action. Summer Sizzler.
Body spray, body spray, body spray.
Ladies and gentlemen, the following contest is scheduled for one fall and it is scheduled right now.
Body spray, body spray, body spray, body spray, body spray.
From Belmont, New Jersey, weighing in 180 pounds, the short thing, TJ
Body spray, body spray, body spray, body spray. Just to spray away.
This is my house.
Oh yeah. Kinda. Oh, that smells good.
It's swag.
Oh,
I got that swag.
it smells great.
Why do I just always have mine?
We can stay here, get the shit kicked out of us, or we can fight our way back into the light. Red-handers!
You got this, buddy.
Oh yeah, I got this.
Woo!
I forgot.
Oh yes, my favorite camera angle in the world.
Yep, back in my head.
Yep. Come on, Rad, look at me.
Give him a raise! I think you did it on purpose. He's a good guy. I showed TJ played that he could get anyone
What?
right.
What do you mean?
Spitting at any
Nice
moment.
guy. Oh, really? Yeah. Your people working for you now? Lazy.
I just wanted to show
lazy,
you.
that's what he is.
He's a lazy bastard.
I just wanted to show you how nice people can be when you're a nice boss back.
Alright.
People do stuff for you.
He's a great boss.
You ready? I didn't come here to talk, I came
Ring
here
the
to
bell.
wrestle. Come on. Steal. Bunch of steals. Get him. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Come on, bro.
How about that?
Get off me.
What's more, man? Alright. You don't mess with the faux hawk.
Yeah, don't mess with the fuck. Yeah, let's grab your. Hey, watch your hair. Come on, get off his hair. Oh yeah, buddy. Oh yeah.
Start that count, ref.
Come on, guys, get back in the ring. Let's go. Come on.
Stalking him.
One. Go.
Red's gotta be
Bring it
careful
back in
of
the ring,
Ryan Reach
guys.
out here, though.
Come on. Two. Right.
Whoa!
Three.
That was cool.
Let's hear it.
Come on, guys, throw it back in the ring. Let's go.
Four.
Come on, TJ. Come on.
Come on, guys, bring it back in the ring. Let's go.
Referee, watch that count.
One.
Wheelbarrow. Wheelbarrow. Woo! That did not sound too good.
That made an awful noise.
3.
I hope Brad's
Come on,
okay.
bring it back in the ring. Hey, come on, stop choking him.
Oh my God, he's choking.
4, stop choking him. Bring it back in the ring. Let's go.
I sure hope
5.
it's okay. The edge of the apron could be a very dangerous place.
Come on, guys.
It's a very dangerous
Bring
place.
it back in the ring.
King Tech had an injury there.
Oh, yeah.
Let him know, TJ.
Oh, yeah.
Come on, get him out of the corner. Let's go.
Come on, Rat. Dude, let's go fast. Hey, come on, stop choking. Come on, he's got the rope. Let's go. He's got 1, 2, 3. Stop choking. Glad you watched Sesame Street, you moron.
Hey, watch the hair.
Come on.
Everybody shut!
Bye-bye. Gotcha. Come on, 1, 2. 2. Stay in it, bro. Come on. I need you.
Enough with that. Enough with the clapping.
Let's hit it. That's my suplex, baby.
Hey, come on, watch the ice, TJ.
Come on, ref. 2. 2.
Guys, shoulder up.
Pissing me off. You're really pissing me off.
It's a 2 count. Guys,
You're lucky you don't work for me anymore. I need a little. You want
Come on.
Come here. Come here.
What is this?
Check this. What? Is this all 100%?
It's water.
Natural.
Water. Come on. Come on. There's no break. The man needs his water. Better say that.
Whoa!
Do that again, I'll disqualify you. Whoa! Do not hit the ref.
Oh yeah, baby.
Jeez.
1, 2.
Stay on him, TJ. You want to give? You want to give? I'll stop the match. There's
Who's your savior now?
Come on.
Come on!
This guy's our boss. This guy's our boss.
This ain't no boss.
You're the
I'm
boss.
the boss,
You're the
baby.
boss, TJ.
I'm
Show
the
him.
boss.
You show him who's boss.
Oh, he just broke his throat.
1, 2. Oh, 2.
Keep at it.
Come on, man.
Red hat who just became red hat.
Let's go, Red. DJ Smell.
Reynolds.
Let's go, Red. DJ Smell. Shut up. Let's go, Red. Let's go, Red. What kind of word is that? I'll show you, Red. So cool.
smell great, Richard. There's a lot of wrestling going on.
Is it aerobics time?
But you always gotta get that work out.
Come on, stop doing it. Come on, get off him. Let's go.
Gotta get that work out.
Get down. Let's go. 1, 2.
No. I have no idea. Let's hit this and I'll throw it in the top corner.
1, 2. 2.
Come on, man.
Dude, guys, sober up. When are you gonna give up, Brad?
It depends on what. Reynolds understands something else. I'm not gonna say that here.
4, 5,
There's a reason Reynolds.
6, 7, 8,
Boardwalk, we used to like a boardwalk bitch.
9.
No.
He's up. He's up.
I don't think so.
Double down. Get up. Come on, team.
Later.
Back in the ring. Let's go.
Suicide dive.
So close to kicking over the table.
Wow.
Hey, Ryan Rage picked an awful time to go check on TJ there because he just got crushed.
Come on, guys. Back in the ring. Let's go.
It's like, oh, I realized that Red Hazard is diving.
Come on.
Might as well go check up on TJ.
Get up with a push-up.
Stay down, Rage. Come on, no, it's good for you. Let's go.
Push-up rage.
I'm going up.
Blew out a flip flop.
Oh boy. You got a cool angle of that.
Back in the ring. Let's go.
Come here. There we go.
You got this, Rad.
Take too long, Brad. Take too long, baby. Don't push me. I will squall fight. You're not pushing me again. Always one step ahead. Time, I will squall fight you.
And TJ Blake over the top. Look who we see here. Big super.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, TJ. 5,
Devastating suplex off the top.
6. 1, 2. No. 2.
Come on,
Almost
bro.
got him, bro. He's close. Guys, shoulder up.
Meet the new boss, same as the old boss.
I think it's time for that blade job, TJ.
You know
Put him away. Put him away.
No, it's over. Oh yeah, it's over. I know you're watching. Oh, yeah. No. Find out.
Come on, TJ. You're on the gift. You want a gift? Come on, TJ. Come on.
TJ.
Come on, take that. Come on, TJ. You want a gift? No. I will stop the TJ over here.
How much longer in this move?
Say no.
Sharpshooter, ball sharpshooter.
No, no.
And the rock. so it's good.
Hey, Corey, jump the ropes. Come on, let's go. Release 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, release the hold.
You got this, Brad. Speed up. Down the board, watch that flow. Board double down.
Wait, what?
Play job.
It's over, TJ. Go. 1, 2. No. Rope break. 2. Rope break.
Come on, man.
Come on, TJ. He got his foot on the ropes. You're absolutely right. Got him right where you want him.
Say goodnight, Rad.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner of this contest, Rad Hazard.
We're in hell right now. Believe me. And we can stay here, get the shit kicked out of us, or we can fight.
Show me too.
Into the light.